Instructions!
A good answer would grade B and grade 4 students. By the way, I will be your science teacher for
Wow!
Alright, class of grade 3 and grade 4 students, I want you to look at the pictures on the board and observe carefully.
It's about reader.
Okay, so how many of you look at the sky on your way to school this morning? Raise your hand who saw a blue sky, some clouds,
Me?
and a little rain.
Me?
Oh, I see almost all of you. So, wait for a while, grade 4 students. So, grade 4 students, what kind of pictures do you see?
Rain! Rain!
About weather. And what kind of pictures do you see? Raise your hand, one answer. Stormy. Very good, Stormy. And how about this one?
Rain!
This picture?
Sunny.
This one?
Cloudy.
Okay, very good. So, for grade 4 students, what kind of pictures did you see? Yes, very nice. About? Very good. Yes, about tools or instruments. Now, can you describe their shapes? Yes, Riksha? Can you describe their shapes? Any pictures? Arrow. Okay, very good. So, wait for a while.
Stand by.
Grade 3 students, are you still with me?
Yes, I'm still with you.
Can you say it aloud? FF, if you are still with me. Okay, so what is your favorite type of weather? Weather
Forecast!
Any of this picture? Just one.
Cloud nine.
And why? Thank you so much.
For her only.
Now please stay quiet for a moment, class.
Stand by.
How about grade 4 students? Do you think that these instruments can help our daily lives?
Yes!
And why? Something and also
Teacher.
this helps us to create a weather forecast which allows us to plan our daily activities or our doings every day. Thank you so much, grade 4 students.
Stand by.
Alright, class, so are you ready for another fun activity?
Yeah!
If you are ready, please say grade 4 students, FF. And for grade 4 students, if you are ready, say hooray.
Hooray!
So again, are you ready for our another fun activity class? So this activity called weather forecast.
Wow!
Please say quiet because I will give instructions. So I have here 2 boxes that contains of random cards and one for each grade level. So your task is to identify and match them up with the correct categorized pictures on the board.
Yes.
So for grade 3 students, here is your box. grade for students, there is your box. Your box contains names of weather instruments and features of weather instruments. So, grade for students, your job is to count the instruments, the weather, and the features. So, you have 5 minutes to complete this activity. And right after, we will check together if everything is placed correctly. So, is my instructions are clear, grade 3 and grade 4? Okay, so your timer starts now.
Tulog na kay init. Tulog siya ko.
Alright, so since you are all done facing the board, now let's check. So, here in grade 6, so what?
Higop sa bao, init!
Yes,
Expert, expert.
something up. So,
So,
so next is you will
raincoat, mabasa ka sa wall.
next you will use raincoat.
Jacket now.
Jacket or sweater. Here in stormy day.
Bagyo, kaway klase.
Sleeping, yes, you will sleep. So, next is
Malipay kay Bagyo. Kaway klase.
he is playing.
Yes.
He is playing.
Inside the house.
Inside his house. So, how about Sunday? Play with the and wearing this. And also, you will ice cream. So, how about in holiday? You will do a
Picture. Wala init.
Jogging and jogging. Okay, thank you so much, class. So, you categorize this different weather activities. So, wait for a minute.
Standby. Wait,
So, for grade 4 students, the check your answers are correct. So, can you read what instruments is this? Thermometer. This one? Wind. Measures. hope you learned